So Apple actually released iOS 15 beta 1, and in this video I'm just going to be sharing with you how you're going to be able to install the developer beta if you feel like you want to have a feel of this iOS 15. I've actually saved my developer profile for you guys so that you'll be able to just try this out. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video, share it to anyone you think this is going to be helpful to them. And without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my software so that you guys would see I'm running the iOS 15 right here. So you check out right here, that is it, iOS 15 right here. Okay, so what you're going to do is I'm going to leave a link in my description which is going to help you guys. So you just tap on it and you are good to go. So this is the link, and when you tap on it you should actually use Safari, and Safari has a new interface right here. So when you click on the link, there's a page that is going to open, and it's actually Google Drive, so don't worry, no one is tracking you, it's just from me. And when you tap on it, you're going to see this page, and you're going to see download anyway. In case maybe you try downloading and it tells you the link is restricted, just state in the comments so that I'll just open it for you so that you just download it. But it's open right away. So you tap on that link too, and you're going to get this pop-up right here, and you click on allow, and then you close. After you're done, you go to your settings, and then you go to general right here. You go to general. Let me go back for you guys. You click on general, and then you go to VPN and device management, and this is the settings I have not installed. I've already installed this one because that was what I used in installing my iOS 15. So this is what you guys need, and then you're going to click on install right here. When you click on install, you're going to input your phone passcode, and you're going to get this pop-up page. You tap on install still, and you're going to get this one too. You tap on install, and basically it's going to tell you to restart your device before you're going to be able to check for updates. I've already done this, so I'm just going to click on not now, and I don't need to restart it. And then you click on done when you are done, and then you're good to go. You can just search for updates and you're going to get your iOS 15. So if this video was very helpful, just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with anyone you think that is going to be helpful to them. And without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.